Welcome to this episode of the CompTIA CySA PrepCast, presented by baremetalcyber.com. In this very first episode, we are laying the foundation for everything to come by examining exactly what the CompTIA CySA Plus certification is, who it's meant for, and why it has become one of the most essential and respected credentials in the cybersecurity field today. If you are considering a career in cybersecurity or seeking to elevate your current role, this certification may be one of the most strategically valuable steps you can take. Today's episode is here to help you understand what this credential truly represents and how it fits into the evolving cybersecurity landscape. Let's start by defining what the CySA Plus certification is at its core. The CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst certification is an intermediate-level credential that confirms your ability to detect, analyze, and respond to cybersecurity threats. Unlike more introductory certifications, this one emphasizes operational readiness. That means being able to recognize patterns, make informed assessments, and take action in real-time environments. It does not limit itself to isolated theory or narrow technical topics. Instead, it targets a broad but deeply practical skill set built for professionals working hands-on in modern enterprise environments. The certification's primary focus lies in behavior analytics and the proactive management of cybersecurity incidents. Rather than simply understanding what attacks are or what vulnerabilities look like in theory, CySA Plus teaches and tests your ability to identify abnormal behaviors, recognize the signs of malicious activity, and respond effectively using structured processes. This includes real-world methods such as examining log data, correlating threat intelligence feeds, and analyzing endpoint behavior for anomalies. The result is a credential that signals practical, hands-on competence, not just theoretical knowledge. What truly sets this certification apart from others is its alignment with modern expectations for cybersecurity professionals. Many credentials still emphasize traditional knowledge areas like cryptography or access control in abstract ways. While those topics remain important, CySA Plus brings something more timely to the table: a focus on security operations center workflows, threat intelligence application, and incident response methodology. It places you squarely in the mindset of someone who is tasked with protecting, monitoring, and reacting inside an actual organization under real conditions. Who should pursue this certification? While anyone can technically prepare for it, the exam is especially well-suited to certain roles. If you are currently a security analyst, SOC analyst, threat hunter, incident responder, or aspire to be one, this credential is directly aligned with your job tasks. It focuses on the kinds of decisions you'll make and the tools you'll use on a daily basis. Beyond that, system administrators, network technicians, or IT professionals looking to transition into cybersecurity roles will also find the content deeply relevant. The skills assessed on this exam reflect the kinds of challenges you'll encounter as your responsibilities shift from general IT to security-focused functions. Although the certification does not require formal prerequisites, the recommended experience level is important to take seriously. Ideally, candidates should have at least 3 to 4 years of hands-on experience in IT roles, with some prior exposure to cybersecurity principles. Familiarity with networking, operating systems, and basic threat mitigation strategies will make it easier to engage with the exam content. Many successful candidates have previously earned foundational certifications such as CompTIA Network Plus or Security Plus, which provide a strong base in core concepts that are expanded upon in this exam. If you already hold an entry-level certification like Security Plus, pursuing CySA Plus is a natural and strategic next step. It builds on your understanding of broad security concepts and moves you into a role that requires critical thinking, pattern recognition, and the ability to respond to real threats. It transforms your knowledge from a passive awareness of threats into the capability to actively detect and mitigate them using structured processes and tools. This makes it ideal for candidates who want to bridge the gap between knowing about cybersecurity and actually doing it professionally. One of the key drivers for pursuing the CySA Plus certification now is the rapidly shifting threat landscape. Cyber threats are not only growing in volume, but also in sophistication. Attackers are leveraging automation, artificial intelligence, and multi-layered attack strategies to bypass traditional defenses. Organizations can no longer afford to rely solely on firewalls and antivirus software. They need analysts who can interpret signs of trouble, respond to anomalies, and contain damage before it spreads. CySA Plus was designed to equip professionals with the precise skills needed to meet this challenge head-on. Demand for cybersecurity professionals continues to outpace supply, and employers are looking for validated proof that candidates have real-world capabilities. Because CySA Plus is a performance-based exam, it does more than test your memory of facts. It asks you to apply skills through simulations and practical questions, demonstrating that you understand not just what to do, but how to do it in dynamic situations. This makes the credential more credible in the eyes of hiring managers, who see it as a reliable signal of competence. From a career perspective, the benefits of earning CySA Plus can be significant. Certified professionals often report improved job prospects, increased earning potential, and greater confidence in their technical abilities. This certification is frequently listed as a preferred or required credential in job postings for cybersecurity analyst roles. It also serves as a useful differentiator when competing for promotions or lateral moves into security teams within your organization. Employers recognize that CySA Plus certification holders are equipped to contribute immediately to their security efforts. Beyond job openings and salary, holding the CySA Plus credential increases your long-term career resilience. As cybersecurity continues to evolve, certifications like this help demonstrate that you are committed to professional development and staying up to date with industry practices. Whether you're targeting employment in the private sector, public agencies, or regulated industries, CySA Plus has been widely adopted and respected as a sign of operational excellence. So, that makes it a foundational component in many cybersecurity career paths, whether you want to become a specialist, a generalist, or move into management over time. For more cyber-related content and books, please check out cyberauthor.me. Also, there are more security courses on cybersecurity and more at baremetalcyber.com. Unlike certifications such as the Certified Information Systems Security Professional or the Certified Ethical Hacker, the CySA Plus certification is distinctly focused on the practical, analytical responsibilities of modern cybersecurity professionals. While the Certified Information Systems Security Professional is more oriented toward governance and strategic oversight, and the Certified Ethical Hacker concentrates on offensive security techniques, CySA Plus zeroes in on behavioral analytics, continuous monitoring, and defensive response. This makes it particularly well-suited for those who plan to work in operational security teams, where the ability to detect, evaluate, and respond to incidents is more important than writing policy or conducting penetration tests. The exam covers a diverse set of essential topics that directly support the daily work of a cybersecurity analyst. These include log analysis and correlation, threat intelligence application, vulnerability scanning, and incident response strategy. Each of these domains is highly relevant to tasks that security professionals routinely face. The ability to analyze logs for anomalies, interpret what threat intelligence feeds reveal about ongoing campaigns, or determine the severity and scope of a detected vulnerability is central to success in nearly every cybersecurity role that involves active defense or monitoring. What truly separates this certification is its emphasis on proactive detection. Instead of waiting for alerts or confirmed breaches, a CySA Plus certified professional is trained to look for early indicators of compromise and respond before damage spreads. This approach supports the larger trend in cybersecurity toward early intervention. Modern organizations need analysts who are not just capable of cleaning up incidents after the fact, but who can intercept and interrupt the kill chain in progress. The exam evaluates your understanding of how attackers move, what signs they leave behind, and how defenders can stop them during each stage of their activity. The CySA Plus certification is also closely aligned with several major cybersecurity frameworks and threat modeling tools. These include the MITRE ATT&CK framework, the Cyber Kill Chain developed by Lockheed Martin, and the Diamond model of intrusion analysis. These models help professionals understand attacker behavior and provide a structured way to analyze security events. By mastering these frameworks as part of your CySA Plus preparation, you will gain a powerful lens through which to interpret complex attacks, identify gaps in defenses, and propose effective countermeasures. These are not just theoretical models, they are used by security teams and government agencies around the world. Importantly, the CySA Plus certification remains vendor-neutral. This means it does not focus on any one technology or brand of security tools. Instead, it teaches concepts and practices that can be applied across any environment, whether you work in Windows, Linux, hybrid cloud setups, or enterprise data centers. This flexibility increases your employability across a wide range of organizations, from small businesses to multinational corporations. Vendor neutrality also ensures that what you learn remains applicable even as specific tools change over time, giving the certification long-term relevance. Achieving CySA Plus certification is also a statement of professional intent. It shows employers and colleagues that you are committed to advancing your skills and contributing meaningfully to your organization's cybersecurity goals. In an industry that moves rapidly, where yesterday's tools are quickly replaced and attackers are constantly evolving, staying current is not optional. Earning this credential helps you stand out in a competitive field by demonstrating that you're not just following trends, but actively preparing to lead within them. For professionals working in sectors with strict regulatory or compliance requirements, such as finance, healthcare, or government, the CySA Plus credential may also fulfill certain mandated qualifications. It can be listed as a recognized certification under frameworks like the Department of Defense Directive 8570 or the National Initiative for Cybersecurity Education. This means that, in addition to its practical value, the credential may help you qualify for roles that require certification, compliance, or may contribute to your organization's audit readiness. The CySA Plus can also act as a strong launching point toward future specialization or advanced credentials. For example, after obtaining this certification, many professionals go on to pursue more focused roles in digital forensics, threat intelligence, or cloud security. Others use it to prepare for senior-level exams, such as the Certified Information Systems Security Professional, where a deeper understanding of operations and risk is essential. In all cases, CySA Plus helps establish the foundational capabilities that are expected of mid-level security professionals before branching out into leadership or technical specialties. Another reason CySA Plus is so widely respected is that it is accredited by the American National Standards Institute, which ensures that the certification adheres to rigorous quality and integrity standards. This accreditation means the exam development process involves real-world subject matter experts, statistically sound validation methods, and alignment with industry needs. As a result, employers and institutions that recognize the ANSI logo understand that the certification has been carefully vetted and regularly updated to stay relevant. Finally, earning your CySA Plus also connects you to a global community of cybersecurity professionals. This community includes not only other certification holders, but also training organizations, discussion forums, user groups, and continuing education providers. Being part of this network offers opportunities for knowledge sharing, mentorship, career growth, and collaboration. Many certified professionals find value not just in the credential itself, but in the relationships and shared learning experiences that come with it. As cyber threats become more complex and global, having access to a broad community of practice becomes a significant asset in staying ahead of the curve. To wrap up today's episode, the CySA Plus certification is a powerful credential designed for IT professionals committed to mastering cybersecurity analysis, detection, and incident response. It represents a practical, hands-on approach to defending systems in real-world environments. Whether you are stepping into a new cybersecurity role or leveling up in your current one, this certification validates your expertise, boosts your employability, and positions you to excel. Stay tuned, because in upcoming episodes, we will break down each domain of the certification and help you build the skills needed to pass your exam and succeed in your cybersecurity career. Thanks for listening. To learn more about cybersecurity, please visit baremetalcyber.com. There you will find best-selling books, videos, and even more free cybersecurity training courses. Please subscribe to the PrepCast and our various podcasts. And thanks for listening.